In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link in Mailchimp. Having a clear unsubscribe option in your emails isn't just a best practice. It's also important for compliance and for keeping your audience happy. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in Mailchimp and what to type so that your unsubscribe link works correctly and looks professional. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Campaigns. Give the page a moment to load and you'll see a list of your existing campaigns. Find the specific email campaign where you want to add the unsubscribe link. On the right side of that campaign, you'll see an Edit button. Click that. After the editor loads, you should see a preview of your email. Look towards the bottom right area of the screen and click Edit Design. This will open the full email editor where you can change content and layout. Now that you're inside the editor, take a look at the panel on the left. This is where you'll see different content blocks, like headings, text, images, and so on. To add an unsubscribe message, choose either a heading or a paragraph block, depending on how prominent you want it to be. Drag that block into your email layout and drop it where you want your unsubscribe text to appear, usually near the bottom of the email. Click on the block you just added to start editing the text. You might want to begin with a short sentence such as, "If you no longer want to receive these emails," and then add your unsubscribe link. In Mailchimp, you can insert the unsubscribe link using a special merge tag. Type an asterisk, then a vertical bar, then the word unsub, followed by another vertical bar, and then a final asterisk. This pattern tells Mailchimp to automatically generate a working unsubscribe link when the email is sent. Once the text is in place, use the settings on the left panel to configure the block. Under the Content tab, you can adjust the exact wording. Under Styles, you can change the font, size, color, and alignment so it matches the rest of your email design and is easy to see. Under Visibility, you can control when and to whom this block appears, if needed. When you're happy with how it looks, go to the top right of the screen. You can click Send Test to send a preview email to yourself and confirm that the unsubscribe link appears and works correctly. If everything looks good, click Save and Exit to keep your changes and return to your campaign overview.